are you feeling on this wonderful day?
Hello, Tina. I'm feeling a little bored. My speaker is broken, and now I can't exercise and dance like I wanted to.
Oh, dear. But, why do you need music to exercise?
Because music helps me move. And moving and exercising helps us take care of our bodies and the brain inside our head.
Oh, I see. So, whatever will we do instead?
I guess we just sit here.
Yoo-hoo!
Tina! Timmy! Hello, my dears!
We are here to get moving. But I see you are not moving. Why, my dears? Because the speaker is broken.
And we can't exercise without music.
Oh, what if we move without music? Oh, that is a good idea.
Come on, son. Join us.
Exercise and dance without music?
Oh, yes. We can do any moves we want.
Exercising does help us take care of our bodies and brains. And dancing does look fun. Okay, I will try it without music.
Yes. How does that feel?
Moving like this feels pretty good.
Oh,
Ooh, I wonder what this button does.
The music! It's fixed!
Hooray!
It was never broken. It seems I just had the speaker on mute.
It looks like a little exercise break was just what you needed to solve this problem.
And it helped us all take care of our bodies.
And don't forget our brains. Our brains are part of our bodies too. Woohoo! I feel great!